Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to go over this older tile and do a little bloom. See what I can do here. I'll put down some pillow paint. It's same colors as my last one, but in a different order. Same colors, different order. My Glidden Premium. I got a goober in here. Sometimes I put some of my runoff paint, my extra paint from my bloom. I add it to my pillow paint just to save some paint. All right, let's put this pink down. It's opaque. I wonder if I should put this on top. I'll put it on the bottom again. All right, this is the peridot green. By Deco Art. So instead of putting bright pink on top, I'm going to put that second. I'll put the green, yellow green next. I think I'll see, maybe I got another pink. I'll put the pearl. Put the folk art one next. Rose shimmer. And I have a leaf green by Artist Loft, which needs to be thinned down a bit. Mixed a few colors together. Artist Loft leaf green, Arteza mint, that's better. I think I put too much down this time. Okay, I haven't done the gold. Gold, and then the Pearl Peony Pink by Arteza. See what we get this time. Well, see if I can blow this out there a bit. Nope. Okay, so let this relax a little bit. That's looking pretty. Oh, that's nice. All right, I think it's time to spin. think we're good. All right, I'm gonna stop the video, put the dried result at the end of the video. It's very pretty, a lot of gold coming through and some peacock cells. I think we're good. It's not moving anymore. Have a good day. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the bell. You'll be notified when I do a new video. And comment below. Ask me a question. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. This coaster dried really well. Got that gold in there. Very pretty. Thanks for watching.